Passage 2, Carifesta. Comprehension questions. Section A. Read the following sentences and determine which are facts and which are opinions. Tick the F for facts and the O for opinions. Fact. Information that remains true regardless of someone's beliefs. Opinion. What someone would rather or prefer to think. It may not be actually true. Question 1. Guyana held the best Carifesta ever. Fact or opinion?
Remember, we do not always find the answers to questions as we read, since the answers do not appear in the same order or same form as the question asked. So in order to figure out whether this is fact or opinion, scan through the passage to spot the country named Guyana. Good! There it is in paragraph 2. The sentence reveals that Guyana was used as the venue for the last Carifesta. If we read on, we can see that every country parade and display their talents in song, dance, and food in a bid to highlight their country's best. So we see that the passage did not state that Guyana held the best Carifesta ever.
Therefore, the statement, Guyana held the best Carifesta ever, is an opinion and not a fact. Question 2. The Caribbean Festival of Arts is also known as Carifesta. Fact or opinion?
Let's scan the passage to find the name of the event as the pre-reading activity indicated. So based on what was highlighted for the possible answer, Carifesta is also known as the Caribbean Festival of Arts.
We can therefore see the statement is a fact and not an opinion. Question 3. The event is held every 2 years. Fact or opinion?
Let's scan the passage or scan through to find the possible answer to the frequency of the event. In the pre-reading activity, question 2, how long or how often is it held? We see the answer is found in paragraph 1, line 1. One of the most popular and vibrant Caribbean events that occurs biennially is Carifesta. The word biennially means every 2 years.
So we can therefore see the statement is a fact and not an opinion. Question 4. Carifesta is a display of only one country's talent. Fact or opinion?
As before, we scanned the passage where we noted the purpose of Carifesta, or which showed us what Carifesta is. This would be the possible answers we highlighted earlier to the pre-reading activity while reading the passage. The purpose of Carifesta was noted in paragraph 1, which said that Carifesta, or the Caribbean Festival of Arts, is a Caribbean celebration that draws many people from all of the Caribbean countries to display their country's culture and talent under one roof.
This means that the statement Carifesta is a display of only one country's talent is not a fact, but rather an opinion. Question 5. Carifesta does not draw tourists' attention from outside the Caribbean. Fact or opinion?
We must scan through the passage to find the words tourists or tourism. We see in paragraph 3 that Carifesta draws many tourists. The passage clearly states that people from the United States of America, Europe, and even as far as New Zealand have traveled to the Caribbean to behold this wondrous celebration. Because of this occasion presents a very rich opportunity for many tourism-based Caribbean countries to show off what they have to offer. Both excerpts reveal that CARIFESTA provides a most useful tool for attracting tourists. Therefore, the statement is clearly not true.
This means that it is not a fact, but an opinion. Question 6. It is an event where Caribbean cultures are treated the same. Fact or opinion?
The answer to question 4, whether it displays only one country's talent, could help us answer this question, or use it as a plunge board to find context clues. So we go back to the paragraph in the passage which helped us answer that question. Rereading that part carefully, we discover that this is a Caribbean celebration that draws many people from all of the Caribbean countries to display their country's culture and talent under one roof. When we read on, we discover that every island is represented by their ambassadors, who parade and display their talents to highlight their country's best. Further reading confirms that the cultures are treated the same. Paragraph 4, lines 2 to 3, reveals that CARIFESTA brings together many people with different backgrounds, customs, and beliefs on one stage.
We therefore know that the statement is true, since all of these clues in the passage show equality or state equal treatment amongst all of the Caribbean cultures.